In today's fast-paced educational environment, your time is more valuable than ever. Remark test grading is the ultimate solution designed to simplify and streamline the grading process. Let's explore how this powerful tool can save you countless hours of manual grading. To start, Remark offers a wide range of standardized answer sheets. Alternatively, Remark test grading lets you design fully customizable exams with options for multiple choice questions, math grids, and open responses. You can even add instructional text, images, and other design elements to suit your needs. Once your test is ready, print it on regular paper using any standard office printer or copier. Remark test grading works with the equipment you already have, so there's no need for expensive forms or specialized hardware. Whether your students are on campus or learning remotely, Remark test grading adapts to your needs. Deliver the test on paper or online, ensuring flexibility for both you and your students. Grading is just as simple. Scan the completed test using any image scanner or copier, and upload them directly into Remark test grading. Whether students take tests on paper or online, Remark test grading automatically grades the tests, providing you with immediate results. No more time-consuming manual grading. Everything is done for you. But it doesn't stop there. Remark test grading gives you powerful, detailed reports that offer deep insights into student, class, and test performance, and give personalized feedback with ease. Remark test grading integrates smoothly with the tools you're already using, making the grading process as efficient as possible. When you're ready, seamlessly transfer grades to your institution's learning management system, including Canvas, Blackboard, D2L Brightspace, Fax, and others. Hosted on Amazon Web Services, Remark test grading offers maximum scalability and data security. Remark test grading is widely used by educators just like you. Ready to elevate your grading process? Sign up for a live demo or start your free trial today and experience the power of Remark test grading firsthand.